Nabila with Mailment, and today I'm going to show you how you can create daily newsletters in Mailment using the recurring email campaign feature. That's right. Now in Mailment, you have the options to create recurring email campaigns very easily. Now, if you're in the finance market, you can easily send daily newsletters covering latest market trends, investment insights, etc. Or let's say you're in the tech industry, then you can easily send latest tech news, new startups, new innovations that are coming up, and many more. So let's have a look at how you can easily create that using the recurring email campaign feature. To create the daily newsletter in Mailment, you need to have Mailment Free and Pro installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. Now I've already done that, and now I'm going to show you how you can create the daily newsletters very easily using Mailment's Campaigns module. So first, let's go ahead to the Campaigns module. Now you can see that I have already drafted a daily newsletter campaign for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I've created. Now here's the basic demo email that I've created. Now this is basically for a tech industry or tech company. So you can see that this is for sending daily tech news to your customers. Now what I'm going to do is take this post block here and drop it after the hero section. Now here, what I'll do is select a specific layout. Now let's say I want to select the layout 2, and then I want to filter it to latest posts. Here, what's going to happen is if you filter the posts to the latest posts and keep the quantity as 3, in the daily newsletters, only the last 3 posts you're publishing on your website will be sent to your audience. Now you can also change the layout however you want, but if you want to send newsletters, you should always select the filter as latest posts. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on next, and then I'm going to show you how you can schedule the daily newsletter here. So let's say send, and then I'm going to go to the recurring option that we have here. Now you can see the default option here is daily, so you don't have to change anything here. And then what I'm going to do is select a start date from when I want my daily newsletters to be sent. So let's say I want my daily newsletters to be start sending on 1st January. So I'm going to select 1st January 2024 here. Next, I can change if I want my daily newsletters to be sent daily, or maybe every 2 days, or maybe every 5 days. So I want to send my daily newsletters every 5 days. So I'm going to select this option as 5. Then I can select a specific time when I want my daily newsletters to be sent to my audience. Now I can change it to 11 a.m. let's say every 5 days. Then I can add a specific end date here. If I select the end date as never end, then my daily newsletters will be sent regardlessly without any time constraint. But if I select till and add a specific time here, so let's say I want this to be 30th March 2024. So now my daily newsletter that I'm creating now will be sent until 30th March. After that, this won't be active anymore. Now the defaultly selected condition is send email if my blog posts are published within 1 day. This is a common condition I have here. I can also utilize it for other conditions as well. So let's say if I select or and add pages, so now my condition is changed to if my blog posts or a page is published within 1 day, then only this daily newsletter campaign will be sent to my audience. But what I'm going to do is keep it as simple as it is and then schedule it. Now you can see that my campaign scheduling calendar is saying that every 5 days at 11 a.m. this daily newsletter campaign will be sent to my audience. So that's about it. You can check out another video where I'm going to cover how you can create weekly digests or weekly recurring email campaigns using Mailment. So take care until then.